It's about to be a what?
Bird fight. Uh-oh. Oh, they're getting it on. They're going at it. It's like UFC for bird fighting. I got a bunch of birds now. Like nature unleashed.
Hey laddie, this is when birds attack. In front of my yard. They live over there. And the birds are right here.
Right there.
Javon is with me.
Yeah, dude.
There's Javon.
Totally. You see right there? It's nature in progress, dude.
What are they doing, Javon?
Well, we thought they were mating, but now I see that two males are going at it.
Over a female?
It must be.
Well, let's be white and get closer.
What people extreme.
Don't fly away. Keep on having fun.
Getting it on.
It flew away.
Where'd it go?
We got too close. I see bird blood. I'm shaking, so I had to scoot back. I shall get closer to the bird. It's David. David.
Nicey. Show it to me.
I just did. Yeah. Zoom in. Oh.
I'd love to see again. Look, let me see.
Nope.